Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now, test an inconspicuous area for color fastness because different dyes react differently. Once safe, slide cardboard inside the garment to prevent bleed-through. Next, you must blot the stain with a clean white cloth. Press, don't rub, this lifts ink instead of spreading it. Apply 1-2 drops of isopropyl alcohol to the cloth and dab the stain from the outside toward the center. This begins to dissolve ballpoint or gel ink while protecting surrounding fabric. Once the initial lift is visible, saturate a cotton swab or small cloth with 70% isopropyl alcohol or hand sanitizer gel, because gel contains alcohol and stays put. You should work from the stain's edges inward so the ink doesn't spread. Gently blot and switch to fresh cloth patches as they pick up color. After most ink transfers, rinse the area under cold running water to flush dissolved pigment. Make sure to keep rinsing until the water runs clearer. This prepares the fabric. You finish by applying a small amount of enzyme laundry detergent directly to the damp stain. Rub gently to work it in, because enzymes break down ink binders. Then launder on a cold, gentle cycle. Avoid hot water or dryer heat, since heat can permanently set any remaining ink. After washing, air dry and inspect. Do not use the dryer yet. If ink persists, repeat the alcohol blotting and rinse sequence before washing again. That's the key troubleshooting step to avoid setting the stain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.